In the world of physics, we often deal with quantities that can take on positive or negative values. Take acceleration, for example. When an object speeds up, we call it positive acceleration. But what happens when it slows down? That's right, it's negative acceleration or deceleration. Now, let's talk about forces. A positive force might push an object to the right, while a negative force pulls it to the left. But what about displacement? When an object moves to the right, we call it positive displacement, and when it heads left, that's negative displacement. Now, don't let the negativity fool you. It's not about being bad in physics, it's about direction. These negative values simply tell us the opposite direction of their positive counterparts. So, whether it's negative acceleration, negative force, or negative displacement, think of it as physics' way of saying, hey, we're heading in the other direction. Take forces, for example. Imagine you're pushing a box to the right with a force of plus 10 newtons. But what if you change your mind and decide to pull the box to the left? Now, your force becomes 10 newtons. It's not negative in a bad way. It simply tells us the direction is flipped. You're applying force in the opposite direction. It's still a force. It's just working in the opposite direction, and there you have it. Positive and negative values in physics are like arrows pointing us in different directions. So the next time you're pushing or pulling, remember, a change in direction brings a change in sign. It's physics' way of keeping us on our toes.